So hello friends, today I am going to teach you all how to create a class in Google Classroom. So first you have to log into your Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account, and then you have to click in your name logo present here, and then you have to click on privacy policy. Then you have to choose one of them. So I am choosing Chrome. So then privacy policy appears, and here some dots will appear. Click on it, and then many Google apps present here, so you have to click on Google Classroom. Here is your classroom, Google Classroom, and I have created 3 classes here. So one is RCP, that is section B, RCPD FDP, that is A, and commerce, that is A. So if you want to create a new class, so you have to click on this plus sign and click on create class, and then you have to click on this, and then you have to click on continue. And class name I am keeping classroom. I am keeping the name of the class name is classroom, and then section will be A. Subject will be Google Classroom. Classroom, or you can give maths. Maths is a easy example, and room is your class. You can give anything in class name. You can keep your class name anything. Section you can keep anything. Subject you can keep anything. Room you can keep anything. So then you have to click on this create option. So it will take some time to create a class. So it is written here creating. So let it create. So here a classroom has appeared. So here is your class has attended, and here is to message your students or someone. You have to click on this announce something to your class, and then you have to type something like hello students. Means you're typing messages to all the students, and then you have to give to all students, and then you have to post it, and then it will take some time in posting. So here hello students has some. So hello students I have given here. So here is your class code. So here is your class code. It is Ladu 2V. So you can, this is your class code, and with the help of this class code you can invite people to your class. So here you can give here, and then invite link is this, and this is your invite link. So now you have to type a name or email, like here is a Gmail. So here I click on invite. So I want to invite this guy in my class. So here this is me, and class invitation is here. So here is a Subhash Shah classroom A. So click on join. So the person you invited will click this, will receive the message in Gmail, and click on that message and click on join, and he or she will come here, and here so here if you want to assign some questions to your class, then you have to click on this classwork, and here assign work to your class here. So create assignments and questions, Use topics to organize classwork into modules or units. Order work the way you want students to see it. So to assign a assignment or question in your class, you have to click on this create button, and you can give an assignment to students, question, material or used post. So I'm giving quiz assignment. So the title is what is what is so you can give anything to your class. What is a you can give anything. So here I have given a question, what is maths. So you can give instructions here, but I am not giving any instructions. So the points will be 1. I want 1 point to this question, and no due date is there, no topic, and here you have to click on all students. So you are going to all students and then click on assign. So it is assigning. So here a question is here. So here you can see the questions. So here is your what is maths is your questions, and there is no such answer. So here you can answer here. So here you have to. So here you assigned a assignment to your class. Here you can see this is the assignment I have given to my class, and this is the message or announcement that I given to the class. In classwork I have given what is maths. In people I have invited myself to a guy to my class. So here you can create a class on Google Classroom, and you can talk about educational topics on your classroom and teach your students. So that is for today. Bye bye and thank you.